so this is graphing sine and cosine. Sine works exactly the same way, except it's got a different starting. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and deal with this guy, and I'm going to go ahead and factor out the 3. So I've got 3, and then x plus pi over 3. That'll come in handy in a little bit here. Let me go ahead and mark this off. I'm going to mark them every 3, and I'm going to say that here's 2 pi, so I've got pi over 2, and 3 pi over 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and take care of the 2 cosine bit. So this is cosine with the amplitude. Now cosine is supposed to start at 1, but we're multiplying all the values by 2. So I go 2, 0, negative 2, 0, positive 2. So here's this guy. So this is cosine with the amplitude. The next thing I want to take care of is I want to take care of this guy, and I'll change colors for him. The 3 over here says that this is talking about our period. Our period is always 2 pi over the thing in front of x. So it says this whole thing right now takes 2 pi. Now I want it to take 2 pi over 3. So that's about here-ish. So the beginning point will not move, but my ending point I now want to happen at 2 pi over 3, which is about here. Now everything else happens exactly halfway, so the halfway point is the bottom, and then it hits zeros halfway between those two. Now I get to take care of these guys, and I'm going to take care of them both at once. This is my phase shift. It says backwards by pi over 3. This is my vertical shift. It says down 1. Now I'm doing these both at the same time to save us some time. So it says backwards by pi over 3, which is about 2 and a bit tick marks. So back 2 and a bit and down 1. 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 And so this blue graph is my final cosine graph.